Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can change your business account into personal account on TikTok. So let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, tap on TikTok app in your device. Then go to profile icon. Then tap on three lines icon. After that, tap on settings and privacy. Next, tap on account. Then tap on switch to personal account. After that, tap on switch anyway. So this is how you can change your business account into personal account on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.